Hi mate, it's Coleborn. We're just here doing a quick bike check. Just go through everything. Start with the frame. It's a 657 Total BMX frame. It's my signature frame. It's the low version. It's got a integrated seat clamp. It's just a real tidy frame. Like, I'm just really into it. Like the low frame, like it's easier for whips and stuff and everything else. I've got this little Mark Webb drilled out bit. Got like spoke nipples coming through the back and stuff, so you can run the cables straight through the frame. It just runs cleaner to the brake. Just really into it. Like stops the feet catching them whips and stuff. The forks are Total BMX prototype Limelights. They got a steep sort of dropout on them, so they're better for nose manuals and little things. I'm just really into them at the moment. Total BMX World Peace bars. Demolition stealth stem. It's just a short kind of stem. Like it's just real good. Like keeps the bars close to you and everything. Like it's just a nice stem. We got a Total BMX prototype hub. I think it's called the Loud hub. Demolition male hub on the front. I'm not really too sure what the name of it is. And they're on Demolition Zero rims. Just good rims. They just keep the wheels straight, standard, just good rims. I'm just into them. Demolition Vulcan brake. It's just a simple, tidy brake. Like stays real close, like so you don't catch your feet on it stuff. Like it's just a good brake. Total BMX rock and roll sprocket. Just real tidy. Like I think it's got a little British flag in there. 25 tooth. Demolition plastic pedals are just simple, tidy little pedals, just run good. We got Primo power bike cranks. Just like them, like they're just real flat, like they've got a good, don't dig into you and stuff, like just well into them. Right, this has got a Total BMX seat. It's a seat and seat post all in one combo. It's like really light. This is the leather version, and they do a embroidered one as well. So check that out on the internet. We got Demolition motion tyres. They're good, like just normal sort of tyres. Like got a skinny one on the back to keep you going fast, and then a nice fat one on the front for foot jams. Check out the site again, totalbmx.com, for all the geometries, weights and everything. Mark Webb's signature Voltron frame, the guide forks, and all the other little bits and pieces we're doing. I'd like to thank Mason at Custom Riders for sorting me out of all the demolition parts and all the other little bits and pieces he's done for me. So thanks for watching my bike check. Alex Coleborn. Peace.
Get by with a winding drugs by my side. I'd rather soul meaning and say something without feeling. You know I feel like that. Balloons holding, pin a postcard lyrics, journey tonight. I found a way.